Tomas and I are at the kitchen at Second Harvest today, and we're joined by Laurent Serrati. He's the chef and owner of Fleur de Sel Restaurant and Creperie. Thanks for being here.
Oh, thank you. My pleasure.
We are the taste testers.
Oh, what a job.
I know, what a job.
We'll do it.
Yeah, of the recipes that our viewers have sent in. And so we feature a certain ingredient, and then we made a call out for recipes, and so we get to do some taste testing. So we are not going hungry today, definitely.
No, but some people do.
Some people do. And
fortunately.
yeah, the Second Harvest Food Bank is there for so many folks. And I guess 1 in 8 people go hungry here in the Inland Northwest. We're in Spokane.
It's too many already.
And 1 in 5 children go hungry.
Yeah,
and
that's
so,
way too many.
Yeah, and so the food bank here provides a lot of services. Yeah. They help people get back on their feet, by providing them with healthy food and taking that cost, away from the hardships that they're experiencing. So
exactly, and when you live on an empty, belly, you don't live well.
No,
your mind does not go well either. So it warms up more than the nutrition part of that. They do a good job. They reach out to people and they bring more than just food. They bring their heart out, and it's a great cause. Second Harvest is a very fantastic cause here.
So today we're talking about raspberries, and we have a recipe from Deanna. And we're talking about fresh raspberries, okay? And she has a recipe for raspberry pie.
Summer.
Oh, so good.
Oh, my wife Patricia has a few raspberries bushes in the garden, and they cannot. She cuts and cuts, and they all come back. And
crazy.
Hard to take care of.
I know, but
great to have.
all summer long. We eat fresh raspberry all summer long, and they are. When you have a great fruit product like that, you don't want to mess with it. You want to make it as simple as possible. And I think that pie is what it is.
We went up to Linden.
Oh, yes.
Which is way up by the Canadian border, but they have a great bakery there, the Linden Dutch Bakery, and I got to make fresh raspberry pie. And their fresh raspberry pie is like that high. And it's like layers of whipped cream and fresh raspberries and like a raspberry gelatin kind of sauce that goes on top. I know, it was so good.
Well, we've got a recipe here today that's going to fill that need.
From who?
See how this
From
raspberry
Deanna.
from Deanna. We're going to see how this pie is made. So raspberry pie is one of my favorites.
I know. Well, I think it beats American apple pie.
Well, let's see. Let's find out.
We'll see.
I don't know.
Those raspberries are great.
I love. You talk about
Nice
being
and
tart.
I like it.
And that balances very well with the sugar. It's like when you do a rhubarb dish, you don't want to put too much sugar. This is perfect. There's not too much sugar. The crust is very good.
Yes, it's light. And this wasn't a very complicated recipe, which is so nice.
No, it's really simple.
Yeah.
Just a few simple ingredients. It's delicious.
And you're sure to impress. This looks great.
Oh,
Fantastic.
Yeah. We love it. Thank you, Deanna.
Thank you, Deanna.
Thank you, Deanna.
To get Deanna's recipe for raspberry pie, visit wagrown.com.